Hello guys, this is Momentum and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get more trading ideas and more ideas from the platform of Forex Planet. As you can, this is the chart of gold. First of all, let's move to the news panel. As you can see, on Friday we had three news. Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was positive, so gold was supposed to fall, but this never happened. Gold jumped from these areas to almost 100 plus pips from the area of 1916 to 1930. And again, we have the news of industrial production, which was also positive. Thus, gold was supposed to fall, but again, this never happened and it jumped to 1931. And again, we have news of almost Brillium UOM consumer sentiment. This why gold was pumped, and it's only two candles broke that zone that was struggling area for the gold. It broke, gave closing above the zone. Again, retest its main resistance 1930 and when market was about to close and it fall. So this was a brief introduction about gold. So let's move to monthly candle so we can study the chart of gold easily. So in monthly chart, as you can see, we have this weeks. These are wicks, WICKs. And as you can see, market was rejecting here again and again, which means we have we still have some buyers in the market. So if I draw a lower area with a trend line with a line according to 1 month. So our 1 month quarter done, and let's move to week one. So in week one, we have a trend line. We are about to make a trend line from this area, as you can see, and let's move and let's change this color to blue for our. So we got this lower zone from the area of monthly candle and this trend line from the weekly chart, and now move to day one. So this is the day one. If I set this trend line best, so we have two areas right now, and gold showed almost 4 month movement in these days. So if I draw a new trend line or line from rejection zone that market showed many time, and these are the rejecting areas of the market. Many time market reject this area one time there and almost five time there, which means we are collecting the data from different time periods to study the gold best. So these are the rejecting area. If I remove this trend line and draw a zone here like that, this is the rejecting zone we have right now. Yes. Okay. Simply I have just removed the trend line that I have drawn here and made a new zone, and let's change its color for our better understanding. So our day one, week one, monthly chart done. Let's move to H4 so we can study the code bestly. As you can see, guys, these are the simple words that I can explain to you. Many time market reject this area and it fall. But if we see this chart and if we draw a new zone, then we will come to know that we have a new zone according to H4 candle, and this is above the trend line, which is on the area of almost 1950 to almost 55. If let's change its color blue. Now we have trend line blue, so let's change its color green. Okay guys, our data is done successfully. Now we have to analyze the gold. Just analyze the gold. So According to H4 candle, we got two zones. One zone almost 1950 to 1954, and the other zone that we got from H4 candle is this zone. Let's change its color to orange. Hope you are understanding the things and trying to learn the things that I am doing. First off, we studied the monthly candle, then we studied the weekly candle, then daily, then H4 candle, and now we are on H4 candle. So simply gold itself tell you that you should buy it or sell it. For me, we have two zones right now. For the rejecting areas of zone, gold successfully reject this and now it is going towards again its lower support area, which is on the point of 1902. Many people are stuck in the selling position because when market break this area, they sell blindly and market didn't fall according to expectation. It made a simply 2 week support here and it got pumped. So many people are stuck here in the selling of gold. We have one new zone right now here, and I am not going to draw this, but I will just draw a trend line there. Yes, exactly. Area of 1914. Area of 1914 is a very strong area for buyers as well as sellers. So simply gold will fall to 1914. If it retrace here like this it did in the past, if it retrace here, then definitely we will going to buy it gold again towards 1935. If not, this is scenario number 1. We have many scenarios right now. This is scenario number 1. If gold didn't retrace there, simply break this line and it will fall to 1902, then you are going to sell it towards 1988 towards its major support area. This was scenario number 2. Okay, hope you are enjoying the things and trying to learning the things. Scenario number 3 we have right now that gold will not fall, but instead it will go up. If it tests the area of 1940 or 1950, then you can definitely sell it with maximum lot size and then it will again going to fall. Before 1950, sorry, before 1960. Okay guys, before 1960 we will sell it. Scenario number 3. Before this red zone we are going to sell it. Okay, let me remove some these areas so you can understand. Basically the basic trend is sell, the strong trend is sell. Okay, simply you can sell the market from here, you can sell the market from this trend line, or you can sell the market from this green zone. The basic trend is sell and you have to finding the sell. If market hold here 1914, then you will buy it. But if break this zone very smoothly like it did without any news, it break 1914 zone, so that's why then you will sell it. Otherwise you should take a buy entry from 1914 to 1935. Hope so you have learned many things. This was all about gold. If you have any confusion you can ask me. So if we draw the news chart, then we don't have any news on Monday, which means on Monday, which means on Monday market will move in this period. Let's talk about Tuesday. Tuesday we don't have any news except CAD, which means market will not show any news on Tuesday also. And on Wednesday we have some action. Yes, federal fund rate FOMC, which is my favorite news. FOMC is going to happen, which means gold will show a maximum movement towards upside or towards low side. FOMC is the biggest news of USD, and we will have some action on that day, but it will, according to my time, be 11 p.m. and we have press conference as well a form, which means we have some actions on Wednesday. So in 2 days of Monday and Tuesday, market will just move in these two areas from 1930 to 1913. So this was all about gold. Hope you have enjoyed and learned a great lesson in this video. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get more trading ideas when we upload more videos. Thank you guys.
Forex Planet.